So I don't know how the sound is, you know, who knows. Oh yeah, there it is. Yep. Yeah, be able to walk on over there. What the hell, right? You can tell people have been biking by here. Shall we? Let's go look at the social. Let's go look at the mug station. Why not, right? In the rain. Over there, all the workers over there. You crazy fool. Yep. There it is. Oop, there it is. Oop, there it is. Yeah. I didn't know they go this far in there. The bridge is over there too as well. I gotta walk that in good weather. I did in the wintertime. So yeah, this is it's right in front of you guys where they're gonna have all the big working on and stuff. Go look at it, shall we? Who else would do something like this? Trying to see. There it is. I walked at winter time. Let's go look at the social trend, shall we? How am I going to get over there? I'll kill myself. Oops, there it is. Shall we? Yeah, I know I'm trespassing. What the hell, right? This is probably the Shady Oak mug station. Straight ahead is Honda. So they have two stations close to each other, two mug stations. No work in the rain. Hello? Hello? Vagrant here. Hello? Who else would do something like this? See, the other station's not too far away. That's why it's kind of a dumb thing. If I'm gonna walk the bridge on a weekend, come towards, whoever drop me off and walk it. Yeah, I'll be able to walk up here and get mugged. Huh. Yep, your money right here being spent. I can sleep right here if I wanted. Huh. Nice day for a walk in the rain with my head cam, right? Is it already starting to fall off already? Look at that. You can see it. How sad that is. Come on. Are you kidding me? Wow, look at that. Can you guys see that? How sad. Hey, penis breath. No! No! Another one right there too as well. You're getting ready to bring the Sparky in there. You see right there. I can't see it, I'm pointing at it, so I apologize if you can't see it. Oh, that doesn't need to be there. It's just nothing but for looks. Penis breath, he's over there, no. Beautiful day. It's raining on the 25th day of September 2023. Hell yeah. I'm just walking around the rain. What the hell? Let's step on down, shall we? You can walk all the way up that bridge over there. I'm going to do that when I work my way back. Have her drop me off. Waste of time over here, a lot of waste of money. Hello? Hello? Something new. Look, with an item I've had for 5 years and decided to use. Head cam. Hell yeah. It's not, I mean, nothing new. Not like I'm skiing or anything. I'd kill myself doing that. I mean, I'm downhill skiing. So watch where I'm walking here. You can kind of see it's starting to get a little muddy. So walk back we came from. Lucky I listened to Sue Ellen, wore my old shoes. Stay alive, look up. That's right. Then they should bury the cable while they're here. something. Flowing down. Oh, whoa. Got the toothpicks? Huh. Any fish in there? I heard something over there.